Now to find out the area of triangle using integration, what steps to be followed? So first thing is I need diagram. Then the second thing is equations of lines. Third thing is area of triangle using integration. Diagram. So I will just plot x-axis, y-axis. Now here y-axis point is 5 maximum number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on x-axis 1, 2, 3 and negative x-axis -1, -2 and the cross section point is 0. -1, 1. So that is your point A. I will call this as. Then point B is 0, 5. Join AB. Then I have a point 3, 2. That is point C. And now I have to find out the area of triangle ABC. To get the equations of lines of AB, BC, AC, we need 2-point form. So that is y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equals to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Of AB, this is my x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now for equation of AB, y minus y1 that is 1 upon y2 minus y1 that is 5 minus 1 is equals to x minus x1 that is -1 upon 0 minus minus. Simplification, y minus 1 is equals to 4 times x plus 1 to y minus 1 is equals to 4x plus 4, which is y is equals to 4x plus 5. Call this as equation 1. Now similarly I have to find out the equations of BC and AC using 2-point form. Now x1 y1 is B and x2 y2 is, so y minus y1 that is 5 upon y2 minus y1 that is 2 minus 5 is equals to x minus x1 that is x minus 0 upon y2 x2 minus x1, so that is 3 minus 0. So which simplifies to y minus 5 upon 2 minus 5 is minus 3 is equals to x upon 3. Here 3 cancels, so which remains y minus 5 is equals to minus x. Now to write down equation in terms of y, because we are find out integration using integral y dx. So y is equals to minus x plus 5. That is my second equation, that is equation of BC. Equation of AC. Now x1 y1 is -1 1 and x2 y2 that is C coordinate. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 3 minus -1. So I will simplify this. So y minus 1 upon 1 is equals to x plus 1 upon 4. So 4y minus 4 is equals to x plus 1. Therefore 4y is equals to x plus 5, which implies y is equals to x plus 5 upon 4. Area of triangle ABC, area under line AB plus area under line BC minus area under line AC. Put the dotted line on x-axis. Since we are going to find out the area along x-axis, so we are going to have area under AB, it is shaded by blue, then under BC, that is shaded by yellow. Now here below AC line the area is getting repeated. To remove the area which is under line AC, so this area I have to remove it. Area under AB plus area under BC minus area under AC. We'll use the formula of integration. Integral from -1 to 0 y dx plus, so for this is AB, then integral from 0 to 3 y dx, this is underline BC, minus integral from -1 to 3 y dx under the line AC. So integral minus 1 to 0 4x plus 5 dx plus 0 to 3 y dx, that is minus x plus 5 dx minus minus 1 to 3 x plus 5 upon 4 dx. So integral of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 5 is 5x from minus 1 to 0 minus x square by 2 plus 5x from 0 to 3 minus x plus 5 whole square divided by 4 to the 8, so minus 1 to 3. Now if I put x equals to 0 in the first place, so I am going to get the 0 minus in the second I will replace x by minus 1, so 4 into minus 1 whole square divided by 2 plus 5 into minus 1 and do stepwise calculation. So here now I will replace x by 3, so that is minus 3 square by 2 plus 5 into 3, that is your first bracket, minus into the second bracket, that will be 0. 3 plus 5 whole square upon 8 minus minus 1 plus 5 whole square upon 8. Simplification, minus of 2 ones are 2 twos are cut, so I will remain with here 2 minus 5 plus minus 9 by 2 plus 15 minus 8 square by 8, that is 8, minus 4 square by 8, that is 2, which is equals to 3 plus 21 upon 2 minus 6, 21 by 2 minus 3, which is equals to 21 minus 6 upon 2. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 15 upon 2 square units. Now it's very important to follow the steps. So first step, again we are just going to recall, that is diagram. In diagram we will show shaded region. Second step is to find out equations. Area of triangle ABC using integration. And the last step is answer with units.